First, we will start with the command line. Go to Home tab, Line, to select, left click. Now specify your first point. Let's say that this is our first point, left click. Now specify your next point. So let's say that this is our next point, left click. Automatically a new line command will start. If you want to continue, specify your next point and then left click. If not, press escape to end command. The shortcut for the command line is L. Type L, enter or space, specify your first point, left click. As we can see, there is a number which is highlighted by blue color. By moving my hand, this number is changing. It is 32, 33, 35, and so on. This number represents the length of the line. So let's assume that we want a line of length 15. Type 15, enter or space. Automatically a new line command will start. To end command, press escape. So we got a line of length 15. The last thing we will talk about it for the command line is that if you want to draw a line at a specific angle from the horizontal axis, type L, enter or space, specify your first point, left click. As we can see, there is a number which is in the gray box. By moving my hand, this number is changing. 19, 20, 22, 23, and so on. This number represents the angle of the line from the horizontal axis. So if you want to have a specific angle, press Shift, comma, and type your angle. Let's assume that we want a line at an angle 45 degrees from horizontal axis. Type 45, enter or space. As we can see, we got a line which is at an angle 45 degrees from horizontal axis. Now we can change the length of the line and direction. So let's assume that we want a line of length 20 in downward direction. Move the cursors in downward direction. Type 20, enter or space. Automatically a new line command will start. If you want to continue, specify your next point. If you want to end command, press escape. So we got a line of length 20 at an angle 45 degrees from the horizontal axis.